Hello, you're watching a close-up on Customization 1 in the FabFitFun Winter Box. If you're new here, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box and shopping club where you can discover and try full-size products from top brands at amazing discounts. If you're already part of our community, welcome back. I'm Tasha, I'm Brand Marketing Director at FabFitFun, and today I am joined by April, who is our Director of Beauty on the merchandising team, and we're gonna be chatting through all of the products that you can choose in this customization. If you're not a member yet, we will have a special code for you at the end of the show, so let's get into it.
Let's do it.
First up, we have the UnHide Lil Marsh in Emerald Kitten and Chocolate Hare.
Everybody's favorite throw blanket is now back in this gorgeous emerald color or this gorgeous chocolate brown color.
Beautiful.
And so this is the perfect accessory to really bring that luxurious feeling home. It's lightweight, it's portable, and I think the best part, I can see it here on yours, is it has this little clip so you can actually drape it around you if you're looking for that kind of like snuggy style blanket.
It's so fun. You can turn it into a cape while you're like working from home
exactly.
or, you know, eating your ice cream.
It's perfect. And it's 50 by 60 inches. It's velvety soft, and I think on top of keeping you cozy and warm all season long, it's actually a great just accessory to throw over a chair, and it also makes an incredible gift. I've given a bunch of these to people and everyone loves it.
The colors are stunning, and I do recommend that if you want to keep that silky softness, line dry it instead of tossing it in the dryer.
It's perfect. Keeps it silky and smooth for longer.
Grab a couple of these in additional choice. Get them as gifts. You never know when you're going to need to get someone a gift that was unexpected. Next up, we have Olaplex number 4C shampoo and number 5 conditioner bond maintenance bundle.
I am personally so excited to bring you this duo of shampoo and conditioner from iconic brand Olaplex, which is also a member favorite brand. We know you guys love these, so bringing you a duo in your box. And so the 4C shampoo is a clarifying shampoo that removes buildup, impurities from your hair. So from everyday just wear and tear, your environment, that hard water buildup, your hair products, and it's going to help your hair be shiny, soft, smooth, silky, and clean. And it also helps extend the life of your color too.
Now, would you say that this leaves you with a squeaky clean or silky, more soft, bouncy
This
texture?
is gonna leave you squeaky clean. Your hair will feel so clean after this. But then the best part is you follow it up with number 5, which is a very hydrating conditioner that leaves your hair easier to detangle, silky, soft, smooth, easier to style. And so you can actually use this every day. I know sometimes people are a little bit worried about using a clarifying shampoo. You can use this every day, and it's good for all hair types.
The fact that we have an Olaplex bundle is unreal.
Amazing.
Great get.
We're very excited.
Next, we have another beauty product. This is the Murad Targeted Wrinkle Corrector.
Okay, and we think that this is probably going to be a favorite in the box because it literally acts like instant filler on your skin. And
crazy.
So this treatment is a blend of peptides and hyaluronic acid that helps erase the look of wrinkles literally on contact. And so it basically floods the wrinkles with moisture, and it also has squalene in it too, which is plant-derived, so a vegan formulation, and it helps prevent future wrinkles while you're treating the ones you have.
You can see it working immediately.
I know.
And we're all getting older, and I've got wrinkles now in places I didn't know I was gonna get wrinkles. Got, you know, on the eyelids, who knew? But I also wear makeup, so can this be worn under makeup?
Yes, so you can actually use this morning and night. And if you're going to use it in the morning, just make sure you're putting sunscreen on top of it.
And it just feels so nice. I would love to just rub this under my eyes.
Yeah, pop it in the fridge on a warm day. It's winter, but you know.
Next, this is really exciting. We have a beauty tech device, and it's been a while since we had one of these. So this is the Skin Inc. DeepCare Flash Facial Spatula.
And so what's really amazing about this product is it does so much. So it's gonna purify your skin, it helps lift and reset your skin. It has 25,000 per second ultrasonic vibration and also ion technology. So it's gonna help unclog your pores, reduce excess oil, and it helps your skincare basically absorb into your skin and just work better. And so there's 4 different modes. First is cleanse, the second is sculpt and lift, and then ion positive, which is going to help remove the excess oil and dirt from your skin. And then ion negative is gonna help you absorb your skincare better.
And it kind of vibrates a little bit as you go.
Exactly.
I was sent a sample one time of a beauty tech device that kind of sucked the gunk out of your face, but it left me with a giant hickey on my forehead.
No good.
That clearly did not make it into the box,
No.
but this one did.
This one did. This has been tried and tested by every member of the merch team, and we're really excited about it.
And you should be too. We have the Barefoot Dreams Cozy Chic Scarf in gray.
Honestly, this is the perfect scarf to stay warm all winter long. It's chic, it's stylish. It's also in this beautiful light gray color that I feel like goes with honestly almost everything. And it's made with the signature Barefoot Dreams Cozy Chic yarn.
It's so
which
nice.
Is so soft to the touch, and I feel like the perfect accessory to keep you warm around your neck. And I also feel like when we talk about winter gifting, this could be the perfect product to gift someone, where it actually is usable, but it's also very chic and cozy.
Absolutely. And last season, we were asked a lot by our community to compare the Sunday Citizen blanket to Barefoot Dreams. And now we have Barefoot Dreams in the box. So how do you feel that this compares to the Sunday Citizen blanket?
You know, I would say I'm the biggest fan of the Sunday Citizen blanket. I love it, but I think that this is maybe just a touch softer, which I feel like is nice for something that you're actually wearing on your skin.
They're both so soft and nice, and this has a nice little stretch to it.
A little bit of pull.
Different ways you can wear it too.
Exactly.
Great piece for winter. You always need an amazing
accessory.
scarf. Next, we have the Kate Spade 25mm stitched feather edge belt, and I'm actually wearing this right now.
It looks so good. And so you can actually get this belt in 3 different sizes. We have small, medium, large, and then 1X and 2X. And so it's kind of that classic slim fit looking belt that never goes out of style. So it's 25mm. And it also has a fun little detail here too, the Kate Spade
little icon.
Exactly, on here. It has an asymmetrical buckle as well too, so it looks good on. Again, never goes out of style. And I feel like a belt is the perfect accessory just to make your outfit feel like it's finished. I feel like you put the belt on and it just automatically looks 5 times
Pulls
cuter.
everything together.
And I think the most important part of this is that it's actually real leather, which is amazing quality. It's nice to the touch. Smells like leather.
Yes, and what I love about most of the fashion items that we have this season is that while they are on trend, they also double as classic pieces. This is never going to go out of style.
No.
A beautiful black belt will always be wearable.
Exactly, 100%. Everyone needs this staple in their closet if you don't have one.
Next, we have the Ana Luisa Ina necklace.
This, if you can't tell, I love layering necklaces. I'm like, why wear one necklace when you can wear 3 at the same time? And so this is subtle enough for you to wear every day, but also perfect for a little bit of a dressed up look. And so the herringbone chain is a classic, simple style that's never gonna go out of style. It is an everyday staple. And so this is dipped in 14 karat gold that gives it that polished finish. And I feel like it gives you just the right amount of glam. It's worn alone as a simple statement piece or perfect for layering. So it's really versatile depending on what type of jewelry look you're looking to achieve.
It is on the shorter side a little bit.
Yeah, so it's
for layering, it'll be the top layer.
Exactly.
When you're layering it with your other necklaces, but I think that a gold herringbone necklace, everyone should have one.
Yes.
This is the Glasshouse Fragrances Scent Scene Duo.
Okay, I am actually really excited about this product because it's a diffuser like nothing I've ever seen before. It's liquidless, and so it's a mess-free diffuser that's going to diffuse fragrance in your home all winter long. And so it comes in 2 different scents, which you can actually choose from. So the first is Lost in Amalfi, which is meant to evoke the feeling of the Mediterranean Sea and has some notes of sea mist. And then also Kyoto in Bloom, which is meant to evoke the feeling of Japan and bloom and has notes of camellia and lotus. And so this will last up to 30 days. It's no mess. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to flip. You don't have to touch the liquid. And when you want more sticks, maybe one day you'll be able to get them through FabFitFun and you can just replenish them every 30 days.
Yes, this is gorgeous. I think it's such a chic,
beautiful,
different take on your standard diffuser. Yes. And like you said, no mess.
No mess.
And you don't have to think about it again. You don't have to go back and flip the reeds.
And they honestly smell so good. I wish you guys could smell this.
They do smell very beautiful. I would love for my house to smell like this. And you're gonna wanna put this in, if you want the scent to really come through stronger, put it in a smaller area in your home. If you're fine with it kind of diffusing a little bit, then you can put it in a larger area. Next up, we have the Cleobella Canvas Tote.
This is a gorgeous, just large. It's an amazing tote. It fits so much, and it's 100% canvas on the outside. We have vegan leather straps and some vegan leather trim at the top. It also has a zip closure too.
Which is good because you don't want it, you know, if it were to get tipped, you don't want everything flying out everywhere.
Exactly. And I feel like it's the perfect packable tote too. I always struggle with that when I'm traveling. I have a lot of structured totes. This is the perfect one to just throw in your bag. And it honestly holds so much. You could throw in like laptop, lunch, water bottle, notebook, whatever you need.
Great carrying to work bag.
Absolutely. I feel like this is literally the perfect work bag.
Next is the SkinFix Barrier and Triple Lipid Niacinamide Activating Serum.
So this is a brand new brand to FabFitFun. You've never seen them in box, you've never seen them in an e-com sale, and we're so excited to include them in this winter's box. So it's a high potency serum that has 10 active ingredients like niacinamide and peptides, which are gonna help visibly plump your skin, leave it feeling firm, hydrated, and really helps to increase the lipid barrier as well too. And rubs in really nicely.
So what step in your skincare routine would this be?
This will take the place of you're using a serum already, use this instead. If you're not using a serum, this is the perfect serum to incorporate. It's lightweight, it's also good for all skin types, and you can use it morning and night.
Next up, we have the Hourglass Vanish Blush Stick in Sacred, Devoted, or Adore.
The blushes, they are beautiful colors. I'll swipe a couple of them for you right now. And so it's the cream finish that's going to leave you with a little bit of that dewy glow. It's cream to powder. It's a buildable formula that just blends so beautifully into your skin. So depending on your skin tone, or if you just have a preference on blush, there's truly something for everyone. And then I think one of the best features too is the triangle tip that gives you that really precise blush application and helps you kind of contour your face a little bit.
And cream to powder is trending, but at this point I feel like it's beyond a trend.
No, it's staying. It's staying. I'm obsessed with all things cream blush.
Yes, it's just so easy to apply and looks so beautiful on the skin and can blend out so well.
And then a little goes a long way too. So you can tap on a little bit and then just build more.
All right, and we've got one more for you guys. This is really exciting. We have the Fenty fragrance Eau de Parfum.
And so this is actually a Luxe Choice that you can get in your winter box. So normally this is $140, but for an additional $20, you can get it in Choice One. And so the bottle just is beautiful, sitting on your vanity. It's warm, it's in this gorgeous amber toned bottle. And the best thing about this is it smells like Rihanna.
It
smells like Rihanna. This is how Rihanna smells. And so this is a warm kind of fragrance that has floral notes, some hints of Bulgarian rose, musk, tangerine. And what's also, I think, really interesting about it is that it's gonna smell a little bit different on you than maybe it would on me. And so it smells different on everyone. So there's a little bit of a unique take there, and it's only made up of middle notes, so it's gonna last long.
I recently learned that you should spray your perfume in your elbow pits and your knee pits. I've never sprayed perfume in my knee pits.
You can do that. You can do that. The only thing too is when you're spraying it on, just make sure you're not rubbing it because it actually breaks down the fragrance. It's gonna last longer if you just let it sit on the skin.
This is such a beautiful scent. Highly recommend. I am all for Luxe Choice. If there's a Luxe Choice,
we're getting it.
The value is just out of this world. Gotta pick it. All right, well, that was everything in Customization 1. Thank you for tuning in, and that code that I mentioned in the beginning of the show is Winter Close-Up. Have fun customizing your box, and we will see you next time. Bye.